as you can see, may mga Chinese na ano dito, may mga Chinese name. But ito guys is may ano, ito yung start and cancel. Ayan, may weight selection, function selection. It means, ito guys, yung pipindutin mo kung ano, alin dito yung gagamitin mo. Ito guys is yung ginawa ko na unang video. Ito naman guys is egg noodles. Paglalagyan mo siya ng egg. And then ito naman guys is vegetable noodles. And ito naman guys is for dumplings. Ayan. And then as you can see guys, my needle explode noodle drying button. Yung drying button guys is ito siya. Ito is yung surface scale. Kung isa o dalawang tao lang po yung kakain, okay na yung 1 cup. Ayan. Tapos, pag 2 to 3, 2 cups of flour. Tapos, 4 to 5 people, 3 cups is okay na yun guys. So, ayan. So, ito yung flour cups guys. Ayan. Tapos, diba, pagka 1 cup lang yung nilagay mong flour guys, ang kailangan mo is 70 ml of water. So, dito guys, yung dapat, ang water mo lang is nasa 70. Ayan. Pagka 2 cups naman guys is 100. Okay. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung mga ibang molds. Ayan, I'm gonna try it guys. Anyways, yung na-try natin is yung itong kaliliit guys, yung na-try na natin. So, ang gamitin natin guys is ito. Ay, yung ipakita ko lang sa inyo is yung mga molds. Ayan. Mga iba-ibang klase ng noodles and pasta guys, gamit yung mga molds. Dumplings. So, we're gonna try this one guys. So, ayan na guys. I'm gonna put some 1 cup of flour. Ayan. Cover na natin yung lid. Then, ito, may 70 ml water na siya guys. Then, ang pipindutin ko dito guys is yung normal na paggawa, yung parang yung ginawa ko dati. Ayan, yung wala, plain lang siya guys. Ayan. So, I'm gonna choose that one. Okay. And then, I'm gonna put this one guys. Here, as you can see, ayan, yung tubig. So, ayan guys, ang pipiliin natin is yung dumpling. Ayan. Okay. Ayan guys, pagka 1 cup of flour, pag dumplings is 80 ml yung water. So, yun, 80 ml yung nilagay ko guys. Yun na siya guys. Pang dumplings. Ito na yung dumpling wrapper. Ayan. Ayan. And then, gagamitin natin ito guys. Ayan, dumpling wrapper maker. Ayan. Ito yung pang-shape natin. I'm gonna show you guys. Hi guys, good evening. So, sa sa methods of payments ko nung nakaraang video ko, ayan, ililink ko yung below or ilalagay ko dito guys, yung video. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood, ayan. And yung payments of method ko guys is okay na siya, na verified na, and then ipapakita ko sa inyo yung message or email sa akin guys, dito or dito. So, thank you so much guys to all of you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, and please hit the notification bell button down below para updated ka sa mga bago kong uploads. And see you again on my next one. Bye!